Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rishabh and I'm with.
Hi guys, I'm Akash Yadav. Today we tried picking up chicks for a luxury car date.
We went in the mall and picked up some girls and tried shooting this video. Let's see how it goes. We are improvising this first date thing. Have you heard of first dates? People go to dinner,
Yes.
people go to movies.
So I've thought of giving it a try. Why not do a car date?
There's nothing, it's just a shoot. We are actually shooting that thing. So there's no problem. So we're improvising this luxury car date.
Have the car? Did you hear it?
Yeah, I have the mic now. So I'm improvising this car date. So would you mind?
So let's go on a 5-minute drive or a date in my car.
Yeah? Yes, hello. And there's a second camera.
So much better here.
Good morning.
Thank you, buddy. Yeah, so let's get started.
What's your name?
Sugandha.
Very nice to meet you, Sugandha. My name is Rishabh. Tell me something about you.
What do you do, Prerna?
So I'm a sculptor.
You're sculpting.
Yep, cheers. So what do you do?
I'm actually working in Gurgaon, British Telecoms.
Yeah, so Tanya, what do you do?
I'm in college.
College. What do you study?
Law.
Law, that's fine. That's fine. Which year are you in?
I'm in third year.
Are you single or committed?
Single.
Are you in a relationship right now? That's nice, perfect. No, I'm single as well. So are you in a relationship right now?
No. I'm single.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, that's great. That's a nice news for me. By the way, I'm single as well. So, what are the qualities you like in a perfect boyfriend?
What's a perfect boyfriend for you?
I think just being honest and being yourself matters.
Perfect boyfriend. He should be loyal.
Loyal.
He should be an extrovert.
Like appearance wise, he should be tall.
See, we all talk about that one should be handsome. But once you fall in love, this doesn't
It
matter.
doesn't matter. It's
Doesn't
irrespective looks.
He should be groomed and he should not be like those guys, like very swaggy guys.
So basically, a
Be a gentleman.
man.
In relationship, does size matter?
What size are you talking about?
Let's not the biceps. Let's go a little down.
I no, I don't think so.
Not really.
I don't really think. I think the personality matters.
Not really. It's like if you are in love, you are in totally love.
Yes.
Tell you why it doesn't matter. See, if you're skilled in like other things,
Mm-hmm.
then you can compromise there.
Yeah, so you basically balancing things.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
What kind of movies do you like?
Depends actually.
What kind of movies do you like? Sci-fi.
Yeah, I like Interstellar a lot.
Interstellar had such a mindfuck concept.
know.
DDLJ.
DDL. So
I like art movies. I like.
art movies. Okay, tell me an art movie. I have never watched, I guess.
Have you seen The Artist?
No, I haven't.
That's really great. It's basically a musical, black and white.
It's like people go on dinner dates and they have like different plans. Would you prefer this as a first date? Like, is it good? Like
can.
on a car and having few drinks,
I can.
pretty music, and you're
Yes.
driving along.
Yes, I'm liking it.
So yeah, thank you so much for liking it.
Could this be a thing, a car date?
Yeah, sure. No, I think it can be a thing. See, it's comfortable, no? Like it's nice here. It's private. So yeah, it's fun. I think it can be a thing.
Yeah.
I personally like it.
Yeah, I mean, if we go to a movie, we can't talk and get to know each other. It's a nice place to,
Get to know each other,
Yeah.
right? And it's more comfortable. You have your privacy.
It's good. Like it's one-on-one basis, so that's better. You don't have the.
Yeah, you get your own time, right?
Yeah.
No one watching you. You get your personal time. Perfect.
Like dinner dates are a thing.
Yeah, actually.
Movie dates are a thing. So this could be a thing as well.
No, it was cool.
It was cool. It was pretty
Yeah.
Pretty
I thought that was because of you, because that was because of the car.
My lady. Thank you.
Why don't I get your number?
Yeah, sure.
876 85
7250.
60
360
131.
131.
64.
So, Pendo, it was really nice to meet you.
Same here.
See you soon.
Thank you so much.
And what do you think about a kiss on the first date?
I think it's like in the moment, Wally choose.
Okay, where do you stand on a cheek kiss right now?
Now, what are the possible ways you can get into that moment?
I'm okay if I get one. Okay, I have to do one.
And yeah, our date is about to over. It's basically 5 minutes and it's precisely 4 minutes and some seconds. And we are almost done. It was such a pleasure.
If we upload this on YouTube.
Yeah, it's fine. Just I want my privacy to be my privacy.
Alright, so we bird that.
Let me.
That's fine.
Yeah, no. That's pro. Okay.
You didn't film it.
110%.
So it was really nice to meet you, Tanya.
Big shout out to my brother Akash for being part of this video. He's basically a model from UK. So go follow him on all the social medias in the description box. In case you have some startup ideas, there's this company, Ancient Entrepreneur. So there's a link in the description. In case you have startup ideas, go pitch them. In case they like it, they will invest in your startup ideas. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next week.